In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate OneDrive with Notion. By the end, your Notion workspace will be connected to your OneDrive so you can securely pull in files right where you work. Start by opening your browser and heading to Notion's website. On the home page, click Login. In this walkthrough, I'll use the Continue with Google option. Select your Google account when prompted and complete any verification steps that appear. If you usually sign in a different way, that's fine too. Just log in as you normally do. The goal is simply to get into your Notion workspace. Once you're in, open Settings. In the left-hand menu, look for Connections. This is where Notion manages all third-party integrations for your workspace. Inside Connections, click See All to view the full directory of available apps. Find OneDrive in the list and select it, then choose Connect. A new window will guide you through Microsoft's sign-in process. If you already have a Microsoft account for OneDrive, sign in with those credentials. If you don't have one yet, you'll be prompted to create it before proceeding. Use your work or personal account based on where your OneDrive files live, so you're connecting the right library. Follow the on-screen prompts. Click Sign In, then Next as requested. You'll be asked to grant permission so Notion can access your OneDrive files. This is required for Notion to browse and attach your documents. Review the details, then click Authorize and Accept to continue. When authorization is complete, the window will close and Notion will finish the setup. If you've connected OneDrive to Notion before, it may reconnect automatically. Give it a few seconds. You'll know it worked when OneDrive appears in your connections list with a connected status. From here, you'll be able to attach or embed OneDrive files directly in Notion pages without downloading and re-uploading. If the sign-in window doesn't appear, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups for Notion. If you're on a company account and see an approval message, your administrator may need to allow the integration. After approval, repeat these steps and the connection should complete normally. That's it. Your OneDrive is now integrated with Notion. You started at Notion's site, logged in, opened Settings, went to Connections, found OneDrive, clicked Connect, signed into your Microsoft account, authorized access, and confirmed the connection. Thanks for following along and enjoy the smoother workflow of bringing your OneDrive files into Notion.